Hey, Stacy, Stabicraft on the sound here. Reach down there and hit the subscribe button and like if you enjoy the video. So we're heading out on December 26th, day after Christmas. We're getting here right as low tide is approaching, and I'm not sure how well this will focus on my windy app, but we're showing sustained winds of 10 to 14 knots with gust from 26 to 29 knots. So we're gonna go out in this, and today we might actually get some rough water footage, so we'll see. And then if you can see out the window, the current the river's currently moving at, once we get in that, we can probably idle from here all the way out and still end up doing like 5-10 mile an hour, so we'll see. But anyway, starting the day out, here we go. So we're coming up on Bridge 37, going over Snohomish River into the Everett Marine Inlet here, and toss up on whether we'll have a decent day out. You can see off in the distance we've got clear sunny sky, you know, but directly overhead we have gray and gloom, and then off in the distance it's even darker. So a lot of interesting weather patterns around this area. But either way, it's the first time we've been out fishing since we both had COVID, so both feeling much better now. And you know, if you're watching this, if you got it, sorry for you. You know, just keep a good mental attitude and you'll get through it. You know, as most people will. Unfortunately, there'll be some that don't, but for the most part, it's survivable. So anyway, now that YouTube's probably going to flag me for having a controversial, you know, word in here, we'll make it on through the bridge and get on out and drop some lines and start fishing. So we're currently going through the no wake zone here between the Everett Marina and Jetty Island. We're going at, you know, your standard no wake speed, and there's enough current coming through at the moment. You can see on the windshield, you know, the kind of splash we're getting here already. So I'm guessing today we may have a little rough water footage. Sit it down flat on the floor. Probably good enough. It's a little rougher out today. It is a little bit rougher out today. Today when we get back, may have a little bit of that land sickness going on.
Yeah.
Just made a quick stop here to recover a cooler that had slid off the top of one of our other containers of, you know, our fishing gear. So anyway, before we get back into motion here, get a view of kind of the swells we're setting in here at the moment. It's hard to tell, but if you look off on the horizon with the bow rail coming up and settling down, you can kind of get a feel for what kind of swells we're in here. So, and we were you know, skipping across the top of those right until we stopped.
The pleasure vessel Stornoway. This is the North Star 16.
Turn the radio down there. But yeah, gonna have some rougher water footage today. I don't think the swells are too huge. What do you think? 2 foot?
Not too bad.
But maybe 3 or 4 foot swells here. So we will get back underway. And here we go. Speed-wise at the moment, we are running about, according to GPS, around 26, 27 miles an hour speed on ground. So we're both standing here, holding on with our knees bent, but it moves along pretty well. Been through some faster action. We're going to slow it down here a little bit. So we're down about, yes, you're in a sea of crab pots here at the moment. So trying to blast through here when everybody's put their crab pots. I don't know if everybody can see these, but they're like insanely close together. About 16, 18 miles an hour now. to sit back and cruise the rest of the way out to where we're gonna fish at. And play dodge the crab pots. change in the color of water. That's crazy. It definitely does not look smoother. We have made it out off of Hat Island and anchored up. We're thinking it may be a slow day. For one, it's kind of hard to tell if we get a bite with the wave action. But give you an idea of what kind of waters we're sitting in here. See if we can hold this down low and so that's at about transom level. Alright, a new first for us. We have pulled in our first squid. And not quite being sure what to do with them. I think we're just going to throw them back for the time being. And it's been bringing enough ice to ice anything down. And really nothing coming up close in season to use for bait. So we'll get them back in there. Definitely an interesting look. We have reverse direction here. We're heading back down the side of Whidbey, back over to Hat Island, try and fish there a little while. You can see again if you watch the horizon of the water, you can kind of tell what kind of seas we're in at the moment. They're bigger than normal, still not as big as I've been in before, but we're doing maybe 10 mile an hour. If that. And it'll be a nice soft cruise back as long as we keep the speed down. Have been able before in the past to just bounce along the top of the waves, skipping from one to the next, but it's really unpleasant. So, but this you can just do all day long. Been never really a problem, so something we'll do for a while here. I don't know how the hell we ended up way the fuck up here. Yeah, probably watching the waves and shit.
Yeah, when we were coming out.
Yeah.
Well, I kept saying
there's the no marina. Yeah. No fog.
I think you missed it. Yeah, you did.
Even a low speed and high waves, these are maneuverable.
Yeah.
told you before, there's been ones out here where you get up on top of it, you're looking like way down in there, and you go in it.
Yeah, that's a little intimidating. A little bit of sunlight coming out.
Yep. Sizable one coming through. Yep. Kind of dropped off that one. Look at these.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Look how neat
Yeah.
that is. Some sizable waves. Big one.
Oops. Yeah, let's throw them down there.
All that driftwood on the beach.
I know. Rain-X is working really well. It's a deep one.
Yeah.
much. We're still over empty.
I just wonder if it burned more.
Idling through.
Having to slog through.
Showing about 4 miles per gallon.
Yeah.
We should have plenty for getting back.
Yeah.
Getting a little closer together now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think I want to be out here in a John boat. That's a little more sizable.
Yeah. I can't even see him coming.
I know.
Sun peeking through that.
Saw that
wall.
coming through, yeah.
Cool.
See the plane flying through up there, it's clear.
What's that?
The plane flying through up there, it's clear.
Yeah, I see it. Which side are we going to?
Stick on this back side, it's where we usually have pretty good luck.
Okay.
Might be a little more shielded from some of the waves.
Yeah. Coming over there or over here?
On this side, like right straight,
Yeah. Over by the marina.
might be closer off the houses by the marina.
Yeah. Whoa.
pushing that throttle forward, I can almost feel in my back the hard landings.
I've got a couple of them.
Yeah.
Kind of jarred me a little bit.
Just gotta stay floppy. I hate to be the people that had to go pull all those scrap pots.
Oh, yeah. I was just sitting there thinking we would never see nothing like this back on Table Rock.
Nope.
Stockton Lake.
Last time they had this kind of water down there, I think it's when that duck boat sank.
Yeah, I don't think the water was even that rough then.
You don't think so?
I think it was only like 2-foot swells that they
Yeah.
came.
This still isn't even close to the roughest I've been out in.
Really?
Yep.
Careful what you say.
Yep. Knock on aluminum. Knock on aluminum.
Is that a boat over there?
No.
Buoy.
Buoy. Yep.
It's funny that when we came by,
Yeah.
I remember even thinking then, oh, that one went down that ways. I saw that on it.
Yep.
I don't remember. Look at that. Things
Yep.
not close together.
Yeah, that's when you start feeling it when they're close together. See if I can change our angle up a little bit.
To where I can't even see them coming now. Over the roads.
Yeah, I can't either.
Holy shit, man.
got me like that earlier.
I was getting ready to take a picture. Never mind.
Yeah, best bet dangling off the back right dead center to get a picture.
Yeah.
Oh, your sunglasses are on the floor, I think. Yep, coming right at us. A few of them back to back here.
I'm kind of glad that if one of us has to go out on the front of the boat this time, it's your turn.
Yep. Person might get moist if you go out there.
Real moist like that.
Okay, it's your turn to go out back and make the coffee and the chow.
Yeah, that's true.
Note to self on big wind days, bring ready to eat food.
Yeah. Yeah, we need to design a windshield mod or going to two-blade.
Yeah. Maybe a way to just put one on that side that idles.
Yeah.
It's not driven and connected to this one, so this one moves it too.
Yeah. And so to all the people that have similar problems.
Yeah, Rain-X doesn't work too swift over there when you never get the chance to. There's the size of one. sense for radar would be nice.
Yeah.
Staying dry back there?
Yeah.
Turn it up to 11. Was okay. I'm going to turn it back down to 8.
Yeah.
Straight for the house.
Yeah. That's where the marine is at.
Usually about the spot.
Yeah. Go down to where those houses, you know, that little area seems to be the
Sweet spot.
yeah. At about 30 to 40 foot depth. Because obviously it's going to be pushing us back this way.
Yeah.
Problem is, it's going to push us out deep really quick too.
Get up in there and anchor up.
Very
And a new first for us. We have pulled in our first squid. And not quite being sure what to do with them. I think we're just going to throw them back for the time being. And it's going to bring enough ice to ice anything down. And really nothing coming up close in season to use for bait. So we'll get them back in there. Definitely an interesting look. Hey everyone, so we are packing up and heading back into the inlet. Go try and fish there. So we're just getting beaten too heavily out here at the moment. Turn the camera around. You see there's a small craft advisory out claiming you know, wind-driven swells up to you know, 3 and 5 feet. Which I think we've honestly seen some a little bigger than that in some places and smaller in others. But I don't know if you can see any of the waves off the side here. But this is just idling through the moment in about 5-6 miles an hour. Right, just taking it easy. We don't have a long ways to go, about maybe 3 miles, so we'll get there in plenty of time. But yeah, this is what it's been like out here a good portion of the day. So it's definitely some of the rougher water we've been in a long time, but I've still been in worse. So anyway, I'll cut this off for now. Once we get back set up to fish some more, I'll kick it back on.